Sum number 14. Discuss the continuity of the function f where f is defined by f of x is equal to set of all 3 where x lies between 0 to 1, that is 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, 4 if 1 less than x less than 3, 5 if 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. So less than or equal to, so it means that closed interval 0 comma 1. So 0 and 1 are also included. Okay, 0 include agudhu, 1 include agudhu. Less than or equal to symbol அப்படிங்கும்போது 0 include பண்ணும், 1 include பண்ணும். Next 1 less than 3, open interval. So because there is no less than or equal to, okay, there is no equal to symbol, so it is open interval. Open interval 1 to 3, and here 3 to 10. So closed interval 3 to 10. Now we have to discuss the continuity of the function. So what are the points? The points will be at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. Okay. Solution. So we have to check the continuity at the point x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3, because we are having less than or equal to 1 and then less than or equal to 3. So 1 and 3 is enough. So we have to find the continuity for, we have to check the continuity for 1 and the point 3. So first let us check for the point at x is equal to 1. So first let us substitute first let us find the left hand limit. So left hand limit h tends to 0 f of 1 minus h. So something is subtracted with 1. So we will be getting the f of x value to be as 3. So limit h tends to 0, 3. So since 3 is a constant function, no need to apply the limit value. So we will get 3. Now right hand limit RHL. So when we choose for right hand limit, we will get for right hand limit h tends to 0 f of 1 plus h. So this is equal to 1 plus h. So something is added with 1. So we will get the interval to be as 4. Okay, so we will get f of x to be as 4. So limit h tends to 0, 4. Since 4 is a constant function, we no need to apply the limit, so we will get 4. So left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. So LHL is not equal to RHL. So what does this implies? This implies that f is not continuous. F is not continuous at x is equal to 1. Now we have to find for x is equal to 3. Okay, so let us find the value for x is equal to 3. So now at the point x is equal to 3. So left hand limit h tends to 0 f of 3 minus h. So something is subtracted with 3. The function will be 4. So limit h tends to 0 of 4 is nothing but 4. Now right hand limit RHL. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 3 plus h. So 3 plus h in the sense that something is added with 3. So something is added with the 3 in the sense that we get f of x to be as 5. So here we can see that LHL is not equal to RHL. So left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. So what does this implies? This implies that f is not continuous. F is not continuous at x is equal to 3. So at x is equal to 3. F is discontinuous. Therefore f is discontinuous at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. So f is discontinuous at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. So this is the answer for sum number 14.
Sum number 15. F of x is equal to set of all 2x if x less than 0, 0 if 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, 4x if x greater than 1. So we have to discuss the continuity of the function. So here what are the points? The points will be at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Okay. So at the point x equal to 0 and 1. So we will be discussing the continuity. So now first of all let us find at x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0, first let us find the left hand limit. So left hand limit நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். Limit h tends to 0, f of 0 minus h. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0, 0 minus h. Something is subtracted with the 0. 0 கூட subtract பண்ணுறோம் இல்லையா? So அப்படி இருக்கும்போது f of x வந்து என்னவா இருக்கும்? 2x. So in the place of x we have to substitute minus h. ஓகேவா? So x அப்படின்ற பிளேஸ்க்கு பதிலா minus h நம்ம substitute பண்ண போகிறோம். So 2 into minus h. Now if I apply the limit we get 0. The next we will be finding the right hand limit RHL. So limit h tends to 0, f of 0 plus h. So some number is added with the 0. So what will be the f of x? F of x will be 0. F of x will be 0. Because closed interval 0 to 1 f of x is 0. So now LHL is equal to RHL, so we have to find the image f of a, that is f of 0. F of 0 is nothing but the function f of x is equal to 0 itself. So we see that LHL is equal to RHL is equal to image. So மூணு values equal இருக்கு. So we conclude that f is continuous. We conclude that f is continuous at x is equal to 0. Okay, at x is equal to 0. So x வந்து at x equal to 0 ல f வந்து continuous நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Next x equal to 1 க்கு நம்ம செக் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ அதுக்கு LHL நம்ம எடுக்கணும், RHL எடுக்கணும். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் LHL எடுக்கிறோம். LHL limit h tends to 0, f of 1 minus h. So some number is subtracted with 1. So what will be the function f? So the function f will be obviously 0. Ilya f of x on the 0. Next right hand limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0, f of 1 plus h. So some number is added with 1. So what will be the function? The function is 4x. So in the place of x we have to substitute 1 plus h. Limit h tends to 0. 4 into 1 plus h. So this is equal to, when I apply the limit h value to be as 0, we get 4 into 1 plus 0 is nothing but 4. So left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. No need to find the image. Since LHL is not equal to RHL, we conclude that f is not continuous. F is not continuous at the point x is equal to 1. So x equal to 1 la f வந்து continuous கிடையாது. So this is the answer for sum number 15.